Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max. I'm going to give you a brief run around the Kenwood head unit, the flagship model. This is the Kenwood DNX 9190 DABS. Now, we've installed this into a Transporter T6. This Kenwood head unit has got all the bells and whistles you'd ever need, including Apple CarPlay wirelessly, Android Auto. It's even got a reverse tilt screen, which is perfect for the VW platform, and you've got CDs and DVDs for when you want to actually play any of those if you still got them. It's also got the ability to do mirroring through HDMI if you get the right leads, or add a Fire Stick. And we've got a shark fin aerial fitted on the top of this vehicle to give this the best DAB reception. Built-in navigation is the Garmin navigation, which is real nice and easy to use, very popular. A lot of people have used Garmin sat-navs in before. If you have, then you would have no issues using this sat-nav. Now, also on this stereo, we've added a reverse camera, so when you stick it into reverse, it'll automatically come up with a reverse camera image, and as you come out of reverse, that will go away. You've got an infotainment adapter, so you get the parking sensor overlay still from this system, and this system works through the steering wheel controls. Now, we've actually retrofitted this steering wheel to this vehicle, along with some new fog lights with the switch, and also we've done folding mirrors. So that automatically opens and closes on the lock and unlock. That has also been paired up. If you haven't noticed them, you've got the Alpine Adventure Audio speakers. Under the seat, we've got an Alpine 8-inch subwoofer under this seat. And then under the driver's seat, there's a 5-channel amplifier, which is running the front speakers and the subwoofer. And we can even add rear speakers at a later date. We've got a sub control, real nice and easy to use sub control, so you can adjust bass to your taste on the fly. And yeah, these doors have been fully soundproofed to the maximum as well, so we really have put as much soundproofing as we can in there to really help with the acoustics of the door. Feels a lot more solid, and yeah, this Transport is really nice and sorted out now with all its options it's been in for, even a little bit of security, because we've added an Auto Watch Ghost to protect this from going missing. Now, that's all from this brief video from Max and John Cleese. If you want something for your Transporter, even if it's something that's not in this video, get in contact with us. We can make it happen. We generally deal with alarms, security, audio systems, stereos, dash cameras, that type of thing. But just hit us in the email. All our contacts are in the links below. But thanks again for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.